When MotoGP moved into a new era with the Tiso Sprint on Saturday in the opening Grand Prix in Portimao in Portugal, Pecco Bagnaia's victory moved in 3 points clear of Jorge Martin at the start of this year's MotoGP World Championship. 7 months later, 13 sprints later and 14 Grand Prix later, we're back to where we started, 3 points between Pecco Bagnaia and Jorge Martin. This is now effectively a 6-round showdown, a 6-round shootout for MotoGP glory in 2023. Pecco Bagnaia, after a highly dramatic Super Saturday so far for the reigning world champion, you've got to go a long way back to find the 26-year-old 13th place on the grid for the factory Ducati star. 4 places ahead of him, still in title contention, Marco Bezzecchi, who's produced a superhuman effort so far this weekend. A week ago, he was lying in agony at the VR46 ranch in Tabuglia near Mazzano, having fractured his right collarbone. He goes from 9th. Jorge Martin, can he make it a quadruple of 4 successive Tiso Sprint wins? He's won it in Mazzano, he dominated it in India, and he was the winner last time out in Motegi. That's the reason why he sits just 3 points behind Bagnaia coming into this 15th sprint of 2023. Luca Marini then on pole position. The factory Aprilias look really strong. You do believe that they're the pre-race favourites. Maverick Vinales second on the grid. Aleix Espargaro third. Scorching hot temperatures, sweltering heat and humidity here in Mandalika. 32 degrees ambient temperature. Feels a lot warmer than that, trust us. We've got a little bit of a sea breeze blowing in from the stunning Lombok coastline here. Confirmation then, Pecco Bagnaia's worst grid position since the 2022 Portuguese Grand Prix in Portimao. That was 30 races ago. First time he's been in Q2 since then. Lewis, as always, we anticipate in these short, sharp sprints, 13 laps coming your way here in Mandalika, that every rider surely is going for the soft rear tyre. Any deviations on the front?
A few deviations on the front. 6, 7 riders, in fact, have gone for the hard front tyre. Everyone else on the soft, but some interesting names amongst those on the hard front tyre, including Pecco Bagnaia. His teammate Enea Bastianini and Johan Zarco also on the hard front tyre. So too Brad Binder, who's up on the second row of the grid. Everyone else is on the soft front, with the exception of Alex Rins, Frankie Morbidelli, and of course Augusto Fernandez too.
Well, this morning Davide Tardozzi told the media, didn't he, that Pecco Bagnaia has stumbled into some of those stopping and braking issues again this weekend in Mandalika. So you do just wonder if he's gone for the hard front tyre, just to give him that little bit of extra braking stability, a little bit of extra confidence in the front end, or is it just the fact that he's got to be aggressive here, got to make some hard overtakes early on? That's also forced his hand. Here we go then. It has already been, in so many aspects, a Super Saturday, a Saturday to remember here at the Pertamina Grand Prix of Indonesia. Tiso sprint time now, though. We are full throttle and we are lights out and we are racing in the sprint here in Indonesia. It's a superb start from that first ever MotoGP pole for Luca Marini. He's going to get the drop on the field on the run down to the first corner. Vinales tried to attack him on the brakes, no way through. Quattararo's been away really well from 4th place. The Yamaha man briefly up into 3rd, bit coming under attack though from Brad Binder. Oh, Vinales chops Marini's front wheel going through turn 2.
Martin didn't make the big progress we thought from the second row, nor did Bagnaia, who's there up the inside of his former teammate Jack Miller. Bagnaia was on the pit wall side and didn't make up ground early on. He's still in the mid-pack in 12th.
A really poor start for Aleix Espargaro, who's had probably the best race pace of any rider so far this weekend. He's dropped back 3 places off the line, started 3rd on the front row. He came through sector 1 in P6, and already look at Vinales trying to get on with this. He's dragging Marini away with him as well. Skittled out, so we said it was a poor first lap for Lance Spargo. It's an even worse second lap. He crashes out and cleans out Binder as well.
Shows how much of a tightrope you're walking when you're trying to overtake around this moment. Inside line and Binder nowhere to go.
You can clearly see that Binder is on the optimum racing line there, so desperate to get his way through with the latest Spargo. Sparks fly, and not in a good way. There's a little whack on that special screen hot pressure on his way here. Of course, the big rookie World Cup in South Africa taking on France, not the day that Binder was hoping for. What that means though, Vinales is just streaking away at the front of this sprint. On that lap 2, 1:31.0.
This stage of the season, if that's the case, it
Chased by Bagnaia. Will it ease the pressure on Pecco Bagnaia now that he comes now? Has to hunt now. 66 points clear of the championship. There's been several big plot twists in recent weeks, and they are about to get another one. All instigated by this man's failure to get through Q1 this morning, starting the sprint in 13th place. And as it stands right now, Bagnaia will be second in the World Championship going into tomorrow's full-length Indonesian Grand Prix.
Bagnaia has got any extra pace and beat him on that Aprilia. Now is the time to unleash it.
That's why Bagnaia has got so close in. You've got to be so careful about what he's doing. Because Martin Marini has a starting just had to release the brake a little bit wide. He was an early caller in this sprint at 60. aggressive grip on right now. Marini swarming all over brutality where Martin picked him off so brilliantly on the last lap. And now Marini does the exact same move.
On that change of direction, Vignales is just losing hand over fist. Surely managed in the remaining laps of this sprint. Just literally barely watched. He's about to see Bezzecchi go through into third place. You can see Quartararo in the background who's stabilised after a couple of poor laps. He's put clearly on Antonio, who is now falling into the clutches of Bagnini and Bagnaia.
Marini and Bezzecchi are patched up, but boy, they fired up as well in this sprint. Second now for Marini. It was pain threshold, just off the scale. And likewise Bezzecchi, who now surely almost flashes the snatches that third place back as Vignales desperately tries to throw onto this he's just Marini was 3/10 faster on that lap 11, and Martin Marini's coming back at him. MotoGP Grand Prix of Indonesia. He is now the chaser. He is now the pursuer, isn't he? 7 points behind Jorge Martin. Will we reflect at the end of this strategy? This is up to Marina in the last lap.
Here he goes on the inside as the steps out. Second place. Every time questions are asked of Martin if this challenge goes deeper and deeper, boy does he come up with an emphatic answer from 6th on the green.
皆さん温かい拍手を。中上孝明は3番手で9番フィニッシュ。さあそして松村